In previous class we discussed the topic causes of loss of soil fertility. Soil can lose its fertility in 5 main ways: bush burning, leaching, overgrazing, land clearing, erosion. Soil is said to be fertile when all the nutrients necessary for plant growth and development are present in it. Soil can lose its fertility in 5 main ways: burning, leaching, overgrazing, clean clearing, erosion. In today's class we will be discussing the topic how to enrich soil fertility. Ways of making the soil fertile. Soil can be made fertile in the following ways: adding fertilizer, manuring, mulching, crop rotation, leaving fallow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.